Now let me introduce myself to you. I'm Anusha. I'm taking an internship training about cybersecurity in SYNTHOQUEST company. I wish this is a better platform for me to choose because day-to-day daily life there are many cyber crimes or frauds and happening. Mostly these all are happening through the online sector. So I wish this is a good for me for my best career so that I learned more like how to protect my data and also my personal details like banking details and emails and passwords, so like that I learned more about this cybersecurity so that is more helpful for me to not lose my data and to secure my data. And recently I did a project about this cybersecurity in Vijayawada, so I wish this improved my logical skills and some technical skills. So I wish to us like students it will be more benefit to not lose our data and to protect ourselves. So thank you for giving this opportunity and thank you.